Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm looking so crusty. Oh my god, I just had a workout. Y'all seen me like stretching yesterday, but today is a whole new day. So today is Sunday, so I just got done with my workout. I'm about to get in the shower, but I wanted to show y'all some things that I bought yesterday, because I didn't even take y'all longer with me, of course. I picked me up some stuff from Marshalls, y'all. So I got me some more body oil from Marshalls. I got me another toner. Yeah, I think this toner and the topicals, like the soap, is helping me with my forehead breakouts. So I'm gonna stay on top of that. So we got some more of that, and then we're gonna do like a little Sunday reset, y'all. I want to like basically do my bathroom, like get it together. I got me a new shower curtain. This is like the clear one that goes behind the actual curtain, so I got me one of those. And then I got me this really cute actual shower curtain. I thought it was cute, y'all. It's gray black. Yeah, it's just gray and black. I thought it was cute. It looks like this. So we're gonna put this together. And y'all got me a whole new shower rod. So your girl got a whole new shower rod, so we gotta put this up. I kind of want to do this before I get in the shower, so we're gonna see what it's gonna be given. I hope that it's gonna be a quick one too, because it says you don't need no tools or nothing like that, so hopefully it's gonna be a quick one too. And then y'all, they had so many like Fenty Skin and Fenty Beauty at Marshall's yesterday, so I picked me up this. This is the cherry scrub. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is the cherry scrub. I have their cookies and clean scrub, but I wanted to try this one, y'all, because I've seen this one and I've heard good things about this. I think it's something about the cherry that like does something for the skin. I don't know, but this was $14.99. It's regularly $29, so we're gonna use this, y'all, before we get in the shower. So yeah, we're about to head to this bathroom. We're about to get this bathroom together. I think this shower curtain is so cute, y'all. This is like my vibe, like neutral, cool tone, gray. That's my vibe. So yeah, we're about to do that, and then we're gonna take a shower. Today is really gonna be a chill day, y'all. I'm gonna be studying a little bit today, and we're not really doing nothing. I just ordered me some Sacred drops, y'all. I had like a bald spot here on my edge, and it's always been this way ever since I was little. And y'all, I used a Sacred for like a month, and I really feel like it helped grow it back. So it helped grow it back. So I ordered me some more because, yeah, I'm really wanting to be on this length journey. Like I really want my hair to be healthy and long. So yeah, we're getting it together. So I ordered that. That's gonna be coming soon. And then what else did I get? I ordered me a journal. Not a journal, a planner. So that's coming in the mail too, y'all. But yeah, let's get to it with the bathroom. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get into the bathroom.
Just open up my phone and it said it needs space. So I hop on the 405 and on speed race. I just switched the only OGs. It alleviate all your friends, fans, and names that they abbreviate. And I don't like that. You know I like thoughts. I'm about to pull up on a few. Some white cross, baby. know you better know. Fiend and then hit the deep and then let's go. Tease and don't get too seasick, I try to fold. Blast like the was a pistol that's in my coat. Now I'm in a black Rari, cause I like the speed race. Shawty blowing up my phone, she said she got a meat trace. She a capper, I just follow Shawty leave Jace. And my bro text me and Jordan Planet Eastgate. Keep it on charge, I'm in here with the same dogs. In these cars I had to make a play call and wanna play Shawty. Bad hoes always got expensive taste.
Okay, y'all, so we're done with the shower curtain. Y'all was struggling. I had to call my mama to help me because, girl, it was just not giving. For it to only be 3 steps, baby, your girl was struggling. But we're finished. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. It looks cute, y'all. I'm gonna try to find like some different type of rugs and like little things to make it pop in there, because right now it's just looking a little bland. So we're gonna have to like get some stuff to make it really come together. But let me show y'all. It just looks a little bland, but it have like some gold and black and some other stuff.
You never forget kids like Emily or Andy, but they forget you.
Jesse, I didn't know.
Just go.
Okay, y'all, so we just got out of the shower. I use that cherry face scrub. Yeah, I really like that. It's really, really thick. It's nothing like the other face scrub, Cookies and Clean. It's nothing like that one, y'all. This one is like really, really thick. And yeah, I really like it. I feel like my skin is giving glowy. Like, I like how my skin looks. In my forehead, y'all, I'm so happy about this. Because if you know, you know I have been struggling with breaking out on my forehead for the past months. And I really feel like it's the topicals. And I also feel like it's the Thayer's toner too, y'all. Like, all I do is just spray this on my face. I'm not going to do a whole skincare today because I'm just in the house chilling. I mean, I could do a skincare, but I'm just going to use these 2 products right here, castor oil and then the Thayer's. I just like to spray this on my forehead, cheeks, and then my neck. Yeah, I spray a lot. One thing about it, I'm gonna be spraying a lot, so I just like let this dry down. I don't know what it is, but I feel like those 2 products are really like helping with my skin. Like, I don't know, y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna let this dry down and then I'm gonna put on this castor oil. Y'all, I like to be a little heavy-handed. I'm gonna be looking really greasy, but that's how I like it. So yeah, and I'm gonna be at home, y'all. I'm not doing anything, so I don't really care. But I'm gonna let this dry down and then I'm gonna add on the castor oil. Y'all, got some leftovers. I'm about to go downstairs and warm up my leftovers. I went to Angeline's. I think it's how you say Angeline's. It's like an Italian restaurant that I went to yesterday. Yo, it was so good. I had got this pizza. It has like arugula, is it feta cheese? Yeah, it's a whole bunch of stuff on there, but it was really good. So I'm gonna go down there and eat that. And then we're gonna come back upstairs and I'm gonna study, do some reading. I took the linen off my bed. I'm washing my linen in my comforter. I'm pretty sure y'all seen that. I think I showed y'all that. But yeah, we're doing that. This is really a Sunday reset, y'all. Like, it feels really good because I feel like I'm always running errands, going to the store, doing this, doing that. But really, I'm just sitting here chilling. Like, I'm cleaning. Bathroom's clean, room is clean. I need to dust in here. I've been saying that for the longest. So I think I'm actually gonna dust before I go downstairs to eat because my room is so dusty, y'all. Like, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, like behind my bed, well, not behind it, but like on top of like the little bed frame, it's a little dusty. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on there. I put like this much, y'all. I feel like that's a lot because it can get a little greasy. It can get a little greasy. Yeah. Y'all see that? Greasy. I think I'm gonna put on a eye mask too, y'all, because my eyes have been so baggy. I like to go up under my eyes. I like to go on the eyelids. I like to get the edges. Y'all be doing I'll be putting this everywhere. Go downstairs, give me something to eat, and then we're gonna come up and study, and then we're gonna end this video because I feel like I'm not doing anything else, y'all. It's really just a chill day. Period. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs, warm up our food, so I'll see y'all a little bit later.